In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use widgets in ClickUp dashboards. Dashboards are your command center in ClickUp, and widgets are the building blocks that turn raw data into clear, actionable views. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you can build a dashboard that actually answers your day-to-day questions. Begin by logging into ClickUp, then head to Dashboards in the left sidebar. Open an existing dashboard if you already have one, or create a new dashboard to start fresh. If you're creating a new one, give it a name that reflects its purpose so you can find it easily later. Next, add a widget. Click the plus Add Widget button and choose the type that fits what you want to see. Task list and task progress are great for tracking work, while visual options like a pie chart or bar chart help you spot patterns at a glance. Pick the layout that best communicates your story and aligns with your team's goals. Now, connect your widget to data. Select the space, folder, or list you want the widget to pull from. Apply filters to narrow the view. Status to show only active work, assign to focus on a team member, or due date to highlight what's coming up. When the preview looks right and reflects the slice of work you care about, save the widget. Quick note before we customize. I've placed the official ClickUp website and app download link right at the top of the description, so you can jump in on the web or update your desktop and mobile apps easily. With the widget added, customize how it displays information, tweak grouping and sorting to prioritize what matters, and switch the chart type if a different visualization makes insights clearer. Rename the widget if needed so your dashboard stays tidy and intuitive. Don't forget to save your changes to lock in the view you want. Arrange your dashboard so it reads naturally. Drag widgets to reposition them and resize to give the most important views more space. Consider keeping key metrics near the top and grouping related widgets together. A clean layout helps your team understand the story at a glance. When your needs evolve, update your widgets. Click a widget's edit option to adjust filters, change the data source, or refine display settings, then save. Small tweaks keep your dashboard relevant without rebuilding it from scratch. If a widget is no longer useful, remove it. Open the widget's More Options menu, select Delete, and confirm. This only removes the widget. Your underlying tasks and data stay safe. That's the tour of using widgets in ClickUp dashboards. Build, connect, customize, arrange, and maintain, so your data works for you. Thanks for watching.